Attention all property managers and real estate enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video topic to discuss: effective strategies for marketing your rental properties. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started in the industry, we've got some valuable insights to share with you when it comes to marketing rental properties. It's all about attracting the right tenants and showcasing the unique qualities of your properties. So grab a pen and paper because we're about to dive into some actionable strategies that'll help you maximize your rental properties exposure and attract quality tenants. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with a toolkit of effective marketing strategies that will set your rental properties apart from the competition and attract tenants who are eager to call them home. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, high quality listing photos and videos. Invest in professional photography and create visually appealing videos to showcase the property. Highlight the key features and make sure the images accurately represent the property. Number 2, compelling property descriptions. Write detailed and engaging property descriptions that highlight the unique selling points, such as amenities, location advantages, and any recent renovations or upgrades. Number 3, online listing platforms. Utilize popular online listing sites such as Zillow, Trulia, Apartments.com, and more to reach a wide audience. Make sure your listings are complete, up-to-date, and optimized with relevant keywords. And a big one, social media marketing. Leverage social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to promote your rental properties. Share visually appealing content, engage with potential tenants, and use targeted advertising to reach specific demographics. Local advertising. Advertise in local newspapers, magazines, community bulletin boards, and real estate publications. Consider placing ads in local businesses or sponsoring community events to increase your visibility. Word of mouth referrals. Encourage satisfied tenants to spread the word about your rental properties to their friends, family, and colleagues. Offer referral incentives or discounts to entice them to refer potential tenants. Virtual tours and 360-degree videos. In this digital age, virtual tours and 360-degree videos have become increasingly popular. Offer tours of your rental properties to allow prospective tenants to explore the space remotely. Targeted marketing. Identify your target audience, such as students, young professionals, families, or retirees, and tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. For example, if your property is near a university, advertise to students through university bulletin boards or online platforms popular among students. Online reviews and testimonials. Encourage satisfied tenants to leave positive reviews and testimonials on relevant platforms such as Google My Business, Yelp, or your website. Positive reviews can significantly enhance the credibility and desirability of your rental properties. Professional networking. Build relationships with local real estate agents, relocation specialists, and corporate housing providers. They can refer potential tenants to your properties or collaborate on marketing efforts. Remember, consistency, responsiveness, and professionalism are crucial throughout the entire marketing process. Promptly respond to inquiries, address concerns, and provide accurate information so that you build trust with potential tenants. And if you're looking for an all-in-one platform to help you streamline your rental property and property management business, be sure to check out DoorLoop today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.